Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktail videos updated. Prepare your camera, audio, lighting, and ingredients, then block a short sequence of shots to tell a clear story. Focus on 3 main scenes: setup, action, and reveal. Keep pacing tight and transitions smooth. Shoot extra close-ups of pouring, shaking, and garnishing. Use natural movements and a steady hand to make every sip look irresistible on camera. Place your main camera for a conversational shot and a second camera or phone for overhead or close-ups to capture prep details. Use a tripod or gimbal for steady motion and practice a few nudges to create smooth reveals. Mind the lighting direction and reflection from glassware to avoid glare. Nudge props and ingredients into frame deliberately to guide the viewer. Speak naturally into your mic and mark the best takes for editing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for setting cocktail playlists and timing your pours with built-in timers. It's small, affordable, and adds atmosphere to any shoot. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, then grab a drink, and now let's get back to the video. Edit with rhythm in mind, trimming pauses and tightening actions to keep energy high. Layer in crisp sound effects for ice clinks, pouring, and shaking to amplify sensory appeal. Use color grading to boost drink hues while keeping skin tones natural and consistent. Add simple motion graphics for ingredients and steps, and include clear lower thirds for measurements. Finish with a quick recap and a clean call to action to try the recipe at home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.